Hey, Jai Hind. I am S.S. Balara, Principal Sri Krishna Pranayam Public School, Shivani Mandi. It's Independence Day tomorrow, the 15th of August. I send my warm greetings on this important day. Happy Independence Day to all parents, students, teaching community and all citizens of our motherland. These two national festivals, 15th of August and 26th of January, we lay a lot of importance to them and celebrate with all zeal and enthusiasm. We ensure a large number of students of our school participate in various activities. We got a good number of NCC contingents, 8th class onwards. All students participate in march past and then aerobics. It's a smart, well-coordinated march past prepared with the help of NCC instructors. They pass by the flag post in files and columns. When we witness the entire show, it shows as if we are sitting somewhere in Defence Forces unit. This year it's because of COVID-19 we may not be able to have the ceremonies performed to that extent as it used to be, though we are going to celebrate the day. Shri Hanuman Prasad Khedia Chairman Jai Bharat Group of Industries will be there to unfurl the tricolor and salute the flag, offer floral tribute to all the martyrs who laid their lives for the sake of our motherland. The Independence Day celebration also helps us to organize a function for future leaders, high performers, meritorious contributors. It becomes a momentous occasion for those children who are called upon on the stage and given a citation. Incidentally, we won't be able to hold that function this year as a large gathering is not permitted. Notwithstanding, we congratulate all outstanding performers. They could be in any field. When it comes to CBSE board result, I take a pride in making this proclamation that it has been an excellent and conspicuously striking performance of the students of class 12th. 56 students, they appeared for board examination. 23 out of them scored more than 90%. That comes to 41% of the students. The highest score is 98% of Nikita from Barwa. It's a good percentage. 46 of the students out of 56, that comes to 82% of them. They are scoring more than 75%. Well done. Congratulations. Class 10th also, we have Muskan 98%, the highest score. She is from Chadwa. It's for information of class 12th students, those who had a subject or subjects examination missed because of COVID-19. These students had marks given based on average or on the basis of assessment. They can now appear if they like to. The examination will be held in the month of September. Those who like to exercise this option of appearing for exam, they should immediately contact the office so that their list of candidates can be forwarded to the CBSE office. Teachers can kindly guide the students of business studies and computer science. It's these two subjects where our class 12 students, they could not appear for examination because of the lockdown. Once again, with all my good wishes on this 74th Independence Day, Jai Hind.